Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great and I'm also doing good. Friends, in this video I'm going to discuss W-2 forms. Basically this video is for that person which is who is working for a USA based company, right? As an employee. Basically we are working for a USA based company in two different way. Either we are working as an employee or as an independent contractor. So I'm covering that if we are working as an employee, then what are the compliances we need to check it. Friends, as we already knew that the most of the USA based companies have the financial year beginning with January month and it ends with December month. So after year end, there is a deadline for some compliances. The first one, if I talk about that employee point of view, you need to collect your W-2 forms at the first week of Feb, because there is a deadline to file that W-2 forms by your employer or by your company. That is 31st January. By 31st January, your company will submit your wages computation, whatever the paycheck you received, the tax deducted, okay, to the IRS. And in W-2 form, you will find it all of the amounts you got in your bank account. There is a tax deductions is mentioned in that W-2 form, the other benefits you got that is mentioned in that W-2 form, so that you can compute your taxable amount for your tax returns. And there is a deadline for tax return filing, that is 15th of April. So before 15th of April you have to file your tax return. And as an employee, for your filing your tax return, the W-2 forms is a mandatory or compulsory document you need to collect from your employer before uh, before filing this tax return, right? So that you can cross check your W-2 form that the amount is mentioned, that is correct or not, your name is correct or not, your SSN number is mentioned, it is correct or not, so that everything must be accurate before filing your tax return. If you find um, any incorrect things in your W-2 form or any kind of mistakes, you can ask to your employer to revise it, so that you can easily file your income tax return with the help of your W-2 forms, and you can get your refund if you are eligible for that refund. Basically sometimes companies deducted the taxes while they are paying to you, but when after year end you calculate your own income, and when you do your computation and you find it that you are eligible for your refund, the taxes which already deducted from your income. So in that case you have to file your tax return with the IRS, and at the time of filing your tax return you need W-2 forms. With the help of W-2 forms, you can easily get all of the details required for the income tax return purpose or IRS return purpose. I hope I explained in a very simple way why W-2 forms is necessary to collect from your employer. And if still there is some confusion remain and I could not able to clear it, you can discuss with me and you can comment in this video in comment section. Okay, and you can contact me also, as I have mentioned my contact number, my email ID here. I can assist you in your tax return filing as well. Okay, thank you everyone, and we'll connect in next video. We'll discuss the independent contract part also. In case of independent contractor, what needs to get to know before filing the tax return, because what are the consequences of that, we'll discuss in next video. Okay friends, and I'm trying to make a short video on the USA based compliances, so that it can helps you to understand what are the compliances are due, and what are the compliances need to complied for the IRS purpose, for other tax purposes, for the state tax returns, for federal tax returns, for even sales tax returns, sales tax compliances also. Okay, thank you. I hope I am able to explain it in easiest way, and please connect with me if you find any difficulty. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care, see you in next video.